Welcome to LFA's video on different types of tooling. The fact that there are different specifications of tooling and then different standardized sizes in the specifications that sometimes have the same names can be very confusing. At LFA we can currently provide 4 types of tooling: TDP, RTP, TSM and Euro. Let's look at these one by one. TDP tooling is specific to LFA machines. We use it in our single station presses. TDP tooling from one type of TDP press can fit all other TDPs in the range. This means if you upgrade from a TDP 0 to a TDP 6, your tooling is not wasted. We have also developed the Vice handheld press to use TDP tooling. This way you can move from R&D directly to small batch production, with limited downtimes and reduced costs. While TDP tooling is able to change from one type of TDP to another, it's not able to fit into rotary tablet presses or any of LFA's RTP range. For the rotary tablet presses, we have to use one of the other types of tooling: RTP, Euro or TSM. All of these are what are considered as rotary tablet press tooling, however all of them are built to different standards. Let's look at RTP tooling. The RTP tooling is unique to LFA machines and is machined to tolerances defined in ISO 2768-1, except in 4 critical places: the working length, the barrel diameter and the tip face diameter, where we manufacture to 0.02mm, and the die bore, where we manufacture to 0.025mm. Next up is TSM tooling. The TSM manual is written by the American Pharmaceutical Association. Even if your press is not set up to take TSM tooling, we would really recommend that you buy a copy of the manual, as it has a number of extremely helpful sections for tablet press owners and operators. The TSM tooling specifications are all given in inches or imperial measurements. As such, it's predominantly used in the USA. Finally, there is what is referred to as Euro tooling. This is based on the ISO 18084 standard. Next, we'll look at the different sizes within the standards. While the TDP and RTP tooling only has one size, Euro tooling and TSM tooling have 2 common sizes and 4 majorly accepted sizes. These are known as B, D, BB and DB, with B and D being the most common. Where it can get a little confusing is that the TSM and Euro specifications both refer to the tooling sizes as B and D. So if you're buying a tablet press and the listing says that it's set up to take B tooling, it's really important to ask under which specification. The difference between B, D, BB and DB are important when considering the size of the tablet you wish to make. We will cover this in a different video. The main way that the tooling is different is in the following dimensions: working length, barrel diameter, die diameter and die height. Working length is from the head flap to the lowest point on the cup face. Barrel diameter is the diameter of the upper punch and lower punch barrels. Die diameter is the outer edge of the die, and the die height is the overall height of the die. Here is a table of the differences. As you can see, the Euro and TSM are very close in comparison. We are from time to time asked if they're interchangeable, and while the answer is yes in some circumstances, we recommend against it, as it involves calibration to the account for small differences in the working length, especially for things such as ejection cams, which may need changing. If you have any questions on tooling or tablet presses, leave a comment below or get in contact, and visit our website at www.lfatabletpresses.com.